Hello students, welcome to another section of topological space. So here I will define what is a divisible property of a topological space. So we studied the property which are called a hereditary property, weakly hereditary property, etc. Now I will define what is a divisible property. So what is a hereditary property? A property is said to be hereditary if a space has the property, then so does every subspace of it. And a property is said to be weakly hereditary if a space has it, so does every closed subspace of it. But here, a property, a topological property. What is a topological property? Topological property is a property of a topological space which is preserved under homeomorphism. Okay, homeomorphism preserve ചെയ്യുന്ന പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ടോപ്പോളജിക്കൽ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So the properties which are preserved under homeomorphisms are called a topological property. Okay. So a topological property is said to be divisible. Divisible if suppose we have a topological space x2 and YU be another topological space and F is a mapping from x to Y. Suppose F is a quotient map, then Y is the quotient space of capital X and U will be the quotient topology on capital Y. Okay. Now suppose that x2 is a topological space. Suppose it has a property. It has one topological property. So you consider set of all quotient spaces of capital X. If all the quotient space of capital X also has this property, then we say that that property is divisible. ഒരു ടോപ്പോളജിക്കൽ സ്പേസിൻ്റെ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി അതിൻ്റെ എല്ലാ ക്വോഷ്യൻ സ്പേസുകളും സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീനെ നമ്മൾ പറയുന്ന പേരാണ് divisible property. Okay. For example, finiteness and discreteness are two properties of topological space which are divisible. That means if capital X2 is a topological space which is a finite space, that means X contains only finitely minimal elements, then every quotient space of X also has finitely many elements. So finiteness is a divisible property. Okay. Now for the discreteness, let x2 be a discrete space. That means tau is the corresponding discrete topology on capital X. And let f from x to y be a quotient map. Okay. Where YU be a topological space. Which is actually the quotient space of X. We need to prove that Y is also discrete. Y is also discrete means U is also discrete topology on Y. We will prove U is the discrete topology on Y. Actually, what is U? Since Y is the quotient space of capital X and F is a quotient map, implies Y will be the corresponding quotient topology. That is the strongest topology making F continuous. Okay. Actually, U is the strongest topology making F continuous. That means U is the quotient topology. But we will prove that discreteness is the divisible property. For that, we need to prove that this quotient topology is also a discrete topology on Y. Okay. So for that, since U is the quotient topology on Y, comma, it is the strongest topology on Y, making F continuous. That is, U equal to set of all A subset of Y such that F inverse of A belongs to tau. ഏതെല്ലാം എകൾക്ക് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള എഫ് ഇൻവേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് എകളാണോ ടോയിലുള്ളത് ആ എകളെയാണ് ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ എടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. ദിസ് ഈസ് ദി ക്വോഷ്യന്റ് ടോപ്പോളജി. സെറ്റ് ഓഫ് ദോസ് സെറ്റ്സ് ഇൻ set of all subsets of Y's which inverse images are belongs to tau. That kind of sets are belongs to U. Okay. We need to prove that this topology is nothing but discrete topology on Y. That means it contains all of its subsets. Now, we assume that X tau is a discrete space. Discrete space. That means every subsets are open here. Okay. Therefore, every subset of capital X will be open in capital X, which implies for every A subset of Y, comma, F inverse of A is any subset of capital X. So, F inverse of A will be open in X. For every A subset of Y, comma, F inverse of A will be open in X because A has a discrete topology. So, which implies every subset of Y belongs to U, corresponding topology of Y. അതല്ലേ, ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഏതെല്ലാം സബ്സെറ്റുകൾക്ക് ഈ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി ഉണ്ടോ ആ എകളെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ക്വോഷ്യന്റ് ടോപ്പോളജി ആയ യുയിലേക്ക് എടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. പക്ഷേ നിങ്ങൾ ഏത് എ എടുത്താലും എഫ് ഇൻവേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് എ എന്തായിരിക്കും? വിൽ ബി ഓപ്പൺ ഇൻ ക്യാപിറ്റൽ എക്സ്, വിച്ച് ഇംപ്ലൈസ് ഫോർ എവറി എ സബ്സെറ്റ് ഓഫ് വൈ, കോമ, എഫ് ഇൻവേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് എ വിൽ ബി ബിലോങ്സ് ടു ടോ. So, f inverse of A belongs to tau means corresponding A will be belongs to the quotient topology U. Here, for every A subset of Y, f inverse of A belongs to tau, which implies for every A subset of Y, comma, A will be belongs to U, which implies U is nothing but set of all subset of Y, which implies U is equal to discrete topology on Y. So, which implies YU is a discrete space. What is Y? The quotient space of X, which implies every quotient space of X is a discrete space when X is discrete. Which implies discreteness is a divisible property. Okay.